What's up guys, Justin Modest here again. Today we're gonna learn the coffee grinder. Check it. So the first thing, I want you to stoop like Spider-Man. Right, you're comfortable in this position without using your hands. You can put your hands in front first, have your hand like this, and your foot out like this. You're comfortable in this position, try lifting off your hands, try doing it with one hand, and then lifting off freely. Second step, I want you to take this foot and put it on to the next side. We're moving it from the left to the right. So you're lifting it and you're dragging it and you're putting it to the right. Now, if you notice that when I go to the right, my upper body automatically lean for me to be able to put my left hand down. So you do the same, transfer your weight. So your weight on this side, you weight on the right with your leg to the left. And as you switch your leg to the right, your weight will be going to the left. So check it. And now, I want you to take your right foot and just hop over like this. As you put your next hand down, and go back into the position you started with. Like this. So now, continue. Hop. Go back into the position you started with. Hop. Go back into the position you started with. As you get comfortable with that, practice trying to swing your leg and making sure that your right hand reach first, then you hop over your leg, like that. Pass it back, go back into the position you started with. Swing, put your right hand, hop, back into the position you started with. Now you can try to do it a little faster. You got one down, but now just go all the way around. You swing around again. It's okay if it drag like this at first, but after a while, as you get more accustomed to the move, you'll be able to lift it freely. So now, try to do it faster, and remember, when you reach here, you're hopping over your leg. But your weight would be on your hands for a little while, for a second. So it's just like that. You don't even need to be a fitness guru to be able to do this. So you'll get it. It's simple, it looks cool, and well, you can learn it on both sides. But as you're now learning, go on the side you feel comfortable with, or the side you feel strongest with. But after a while, you can learn it on the other side. Alright, so that was the coffee grinder. I am Justin Modest. Hope you all like it. Like, share, subscribe for me, please. Have a lot of more tutorials coming out. Share with somebody who would like to learn this move. It's a simple move. Good luck.